Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, so today we are gonna be discussing about evaluation of rational algebraic expression. So to evaluate an expression, you have to substitute a number for a variable and perform arithmetic operations. So for us to be successful in evaluating rational algebraic expression, we just do the method of substitution. Okay? So, by the process, telling us to evaluate the expression is you have to substitute. Sa Tagalog, kailangan palitan mo. Ano ba yung papalitan? Okay? Papalitan mo ng number yung corresponding letter. Okay? So, para mas maunawaan natin ito, magbigay tayo ng mga examples. Okay, so example number 1, you're asked to evaluate the expression 5n squared all over negative 2n minus 8, wherein n is equal to negative 2. Negative 2. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Kanina, by the definition of the process, for you to evaluate the rational algebraic expression, you are going to substitute the number for a variable. So, ano ibig sabihin? Kailangan palitan ng number yung variable. When we say variable, ito yung mga letter. Okay, so for this particular example, we have this expression na kung titingnan natin, we have variables. Or I mean variable. So, the variable n. Okay? So, papalitan natin yun ng ano. According to this problem, yung variable n daw will be equal to negative 2. So, every n that we see in the expression, we're going to substitute that with the negative 2 or with negative 2. Okay, so let's start. So, 5, copy 5. Tapos, yung n daw natin is negative 2. So, negative 2. Papalitan natin si n ng negative 2. Kasi nga daw, n is equal to negative 2. Tapos, squared. And then, negative 2. Tapos, yung n daw is negative 2. Palitan pa rin natin. And then, minus 8. And then, after that, after you do the substitution, okay, so perform the arithmetic operation. So, tingnan muna natin. Meron tayo ditong exponent. So, kay exponent muna tayo mag-focus. Okay? So, 5. Negative 2 times negative 2, that will be 4. And then, negative 2 times negative 2, this is 4 minus 8. Okay? Then, 5 times 4 is equal to 20 all over 4 minus 8, that will be negative 4. Okay. Ang mangyayari or palaging nangyayari, okay, nagkakaroon tayo ng fraction. Kasi syempre, this is a rational, okay, rational algebraic expression. So, rational siya. So, magkakaroon tayo lagi dito ng fraction. So, ang unang-unang gagawin natin para maka-arrive tayo dun sa final answer is, kung yung fraction ba, tingnan natin kung siya ay pwedeng i-divide. Can be divided. Okay? Pwede ba siyang i-divide? Ano ibig sabihin? Pag dinivide natin, dapat makakakuha tayo ng whole number. Okay? Dapat makakakuha tayo ng whole number. Pag nangyari yun, ibig sabihin, yung numerator is divisible ng denominator. So, pwede tayo mag-divide. Okay? Kapag hindi pwede, ang pangalawang option natin is we do the lowest term. Okay, so mag-lowest term tayo para makuha natin yung final answer. Okay, so yun daw, dalawa yon. So, it's either pwedeng i-divide or pag hindi, tayo ay mag-lowest term. So, we have arrived with 20 over negative 4. Is 20 can be divided by 4? Yes, 20 divided by 4, that is 5. And of course, positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. So, this expression that is given, ang sagot natin ay negative 5. Okay, so we have this algebraic expression. Punta tayo sa example number 2 natin. Okay, so we have this algebraic expression, r plus s all over r squared plus 3r minus 10. Okay, so we're going to evaluate this algebraic expression or rational algebraic expression where r is equal to 3 and then s is equal to 1. Okay, so first thing that we have to do is we have to substitute, okay, the numbers to the variables, okay, or the equal value for the particular variable. Okay, so let's proceed. So r plus s, o r is equal to 3 plus, so yung s natin is equal to 1. And then sa denominator, we have r squared plus 3r minus 10. So r squared, yung r daw natin is 3. So we are going to substitute r with 3 plus 3. Tapos itong r, ano daw yung r? Ito, so 3. Papalitan natin yung r minus 10. Okay? And then after you do substitution, perform the arithmetic operation. Okay? So, we simplify. So, 3 plus 1, that will be 4. And then, 3 squared, that will be 9. Plus 9. Because 3 times 3, that will be also 9. And then, minus 10. We simplify further. So, this is 4 over 9 plus 9, that's 18. Minus 10. That will be 8. Okay. Now, diba sabi ko kanina, lagi tayong mag-a-arrive sa isang fraction. Tapos may dalawa tayong gagawin. Okay? Or dalawang pagmimilian na gagawin. Ang una is, you have to identify kung sila ba ay pwedeng i-divide. Okay? So, again, pwede siyang i-divide if the numerator is larger than the denominator. Yun usually. Pero here, kung titingnan natin, mas maliit yung numerator kay denominator. So, basically, hindi yan pwedeng i-divide. So, proceed tayo sa pangalawa. Ang pangalawa natin is, tingnan kung pwede ba siyang i-lowest term. Pwede ba natin tong i-lowest term? Yes. Okay, so ano yung common factor nila? Ang common factor sa kanila ay 4. Correct. Okay, so 4. So, 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. And then 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. So, ito yung ating sagot. If we evaluate r plus s all over r squared plus 3r minus 10, given this particular condition, so we are going to obtain this answer. Okay? Ganun lang kadali ang evaluation of rational algebraic expression. Okay? So, the first one is, magsasubstitute tayo. Papalitan natin yung mga variables no corresponding values niya into numbers. Okay? Or corresponding numeric value niya. Tapos, pangalawa, perform indicated operations or mathematical operations or arithmetic operations and then simplify. And then, last one or last step will be, it's either you divide kung divisible or you obtain the lowest term. Okay? Kasi laging fraction naman talaga makukuha natin. Okay? Okay, maraming salamat again for gracing by. At sana marami kayong natutunan at may natutunan kayo regarding evaluation of rational algebraic expression. Okay? If you like this video, I hope you click the like button and then subscribe at saka pati yung bell button para lagi tayong may connection. Okay, so you will be updated kapag nagpo-post ako ng mga videos. Again, this is Sir James for another edition of Sir James Mathematics Tutorial. And good day and happy learning. At lagi ko sinasabi na huwag natin katatakutan ng mate. Enjoy lang natin ito. Punta ka dito sa channel ko and let's chat. Okay? Maraming salamat.